In the audio settings menu, you can tailor the device to fit your personal preferences, including the speed of reading, the voice, and much more. To enter the audio settings menu, hold the narrow sides of your device with the touch bar facing you and the camera facing down. Simultaneously press and hold the power button with your pointing finger, while with your other pointing finger, swipe the touch bar from top to bottom. Release the power button when your finger reaches the bottom of the touch bar, then you will hear
Main menu, reading language menu. Touch to select or swipe for other settings.
To go forward in the menu, swipe forward. To go back, swipe backwards. Press the touch bar to choose the desired menu option. The device will then announce the menu selection. Follow the instructions. Tap the touch bar twice to exit a specific menu, and then tap twice to exit the audio settings menu entirely. Note, if you don't activate the touch bar for a few seconds, the device will repeat the last announcement 3 times, and then it will exit the audio settings menu. It is also possible to enter the audio settings menu by pointing at the OrCam Please Enter User menu command in the user guide.